Top 5. Best kayak for beginners. Overwhelming decision for any level of paddler, but when you're first starting out it can be even more confusing. Number 5. Perception Pescador Pro 12.0 option. It's a sit-on-top vessel that will allow for freedom of movement and easy exiting. It's 12 foot long, with carry handles at the bow and stern but is slightly heavier than some kayaks, weighing 64 pounds. Your perfect first fishing kayak. Seat can be lowered for relaxed paddling. Leak-proof one-piece construction. Number 4. Wilderness Systems Pungo 120. That is designed to give you good secondary stability, so it will be able to withstand waves better than a flat hull. This Pungo 120 liters is a 12-foot vessel that weighs 49 pounds and is 29 inches wide. Hull material, polyethylene. Length, 12 feet, maximum load, 325 pounds. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Kayak for beginners or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Dolphin Excursion and Cockpit, so you still have some room for movement. Being just 10 feet long, it's easy to transport and will fit in the back of most pickup trucks. It's also lightweight, weighing 40 pounds, so it will be easier to lift and carry when you're on your own. 2 flush mount rod holders. 1 swivel rod holder. High-density polyethylene. Number 2. Lifetime Mantaaddling. It's a recreational yak with a hull that is designed to prevent capsizes, and allow you to paddle in a straight line more easily. It's a plastic sit-on-top that's durable, easy to maneuver, very stable and 36 inches wide. Designed for single or tandem use. Includes 2 soft backrests. A 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. Number 1. Ocean Kayak Malibu 2, head out on the water with a partner. It's a sit-on-top vessel that is lightweight, weighing just 57 pounds, which makes it easy to carry when there are 2 of you. There are even carry handles at the bow and stern. The craft has 2 comfortable seats for each paddler. Enjoy sun and surf. Tandem paddling with a child. Greater slip prevention over molded seats. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Kayak for beginners or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.